Hello everyone. I wanted to take a quick minute and share with you the Color Cube. This has been out for a while. I kept seeing it on my Instagram feed and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna bite the bullet and do it. And my reasoning for that is I tend to spend a lot of time deciding what I want to do, right? I look at this huge pile of stuff that I want to do everything, but I don't quite know where to start. It's like when you have like 2 outfits to choose from as compared to like 10, right? It's so much easier when you can kind of whittle things down. So I thought this would be really helpful for me. Instead of sitting here thinking of color combinations, you know, trying to come up with stuff to put it together, this is like 500 different color combos in these little cubes that you can go through to sort of help you sort and pick out. And I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to use this yet. I might just pick and pull and sort through. I'm also thinking I might do something where I randomize it, like randomize the number, and then whatever number comes up, that's the one I use. I'm a little scared of that, but I also think scary things can sometimes be really good. So I may start doing that. But either way, I know this is gonna be helpful and it's gonna allow me to create more things and spend less time thinking about creating things, if that makes sense. So I wanted to give you guys a look at it. I did buy the bundle pack, which has both of the color cubes in it, and we're just gonna open this up and take a look at what's inside. So we've got foam on the top, keep it nice and safe, and then there's foam all around it. I know it's kind of hard to see, but I'm gonna pop these out, and then it will be a lot easier for you to see. 1 and 2, and I'm not sure, I'm assuming the 1 is on the left to match what the box is, but yeah, it has this foam at the bottom, and keep it all nice and safe in shipping. And then these are the cubes. So it's got a little, all those colors, I love it. It reminds me very much of like the there's Pantone boxes that you can get with all their individual colors in it. I know that from my graphic design days in school. So here we go. Yeah, this is the first one. Instructions: using a color palette. It tells you sort of how to go through everything. It also gives the hex codes for people who are doing like designing stuff on websites, things like that. But really they're all numbered, which is really nice, which is again why I'm thinking like just pick a random number and just work with whatever that is. But you get a photograph and then it pulls the colors from that inspiration photograph. And again, all of you've got your colors here. And so what I would do is just pull one of these that I like, or again, a random number, and then pick my colored cardstock to match, which I think, I have a lot of cardstock, so I don't think that's gonna be an issue for me. But get as close as you can, and then make your card. And I think this is gonna be a huge time saver for me. There's so many options. Each one of these boxes comes with 250, I think it is. Yeah, 250 of these little cards. So I think this is gonna be super great. Oh, so pretty for Valentine's Day. So you can see what I mean, kind of like you want to go through and like maybe for Valentine's Day I look for sort of a Valentine's photo, you know, for my inspiration, and then other times I just kind of go with random ones. But then again, you don't have to do this in Valentine's, so a random, you know, just a random number might work really great. So that was just 1 through 41. Like I said, there's 250 in each box. I don't want to pull from the middle because I don't want to get them out of order. Well, I guess if I just, I'm very careful, right? Or at least I can try to be. There we go. Okay. So there's some more fall colors. I don't know if this is supposed to go sort of in a seasonal, you know, plan, but it does look like, you know, fall themes are together. And then here we're going, you know, sort of into winter, which is, that's at number 148. And then that last one we pulled did look like a winter scene kind of as well. They're in here, I don't want to say like super tight, but they fit in there really nicely. They're not going anywhere. And your corners are going to be really, you know, it's not going to shake around and mess things up for you. Yeah, so it looks like while there are some like fall winter ones together. Oh, look, that one's different because it's a long photo. Yeah, I like this one too. I didn't notice that those are different. I like that. It looks like some things are kind of seasonally put together, other ones are not. So that was box 1, and then box 2 is going to be very, very similar. It's just additional color palettes to choose from. And I bought the bulk one because I knew I was going to like this. I've had somewhat of similar things in our graphic design room in school. They weren't mine, but they were there to use, you know, when we needed things like that. So I kind of had an idea what this was going to be like, and I knew I was going to want it. And since you got a little bit of a discount if you bought the bundle, that's why I decided to do that. Another instruction page. And ooh, I really like that. I like those colors. But again, more of the same, lots more photos, lots more colors. Yeah, so if you know, if finding your color palettes is taking up a lot of time or something that you struggle with, you tend to use the same colors over again, which I do kind of feel like I fall into that, where I use a lot of the same colors. I'm not sure what, oh, this is to label number 2, I guess. You know, I feel like I kind of fall into using the same colors a lot of the time, so I think this will really help me with that, and also save some time. Anyways, just wanted to share it with you guys. I will link the info for you down below. It's not an affiliate link or anything. I don't get anything from this. I just wanted to share it with you. And if you're interested, I will link all the info below for you. Oh, Charlie Cat, I don't know if you heard him, but he was saying hello, if you did. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will talk to you soon.